Now, some people will tell you that this is happening because the internet came along. Cool. Well, I got this, and so we got the internet. Or there's an economic recession. It must be the recession that caused all these things. Well, in our book, we research these issues as closely as we can, and what we come to the conclusion on is that that's a nice fantasy. But the fact of the matter is that the decline in daily newspapers, in their advertising, which is, of course, a sustenance of the commercial media in this country, and in their circulation, really traces back to certainly before the current recession, but also before the internet was a serious competitor. And so we've been in a period of decline for some time now, and it has certainly, unquestionably, been accelerated by the recession. There's no doubt of that. And there's been an acceleration by especially young people going to the internet and getting their information there. But the truth of the matter is that we are in a state of dramatic decline for journalism in this country, in large part because the people who have controlled our newspapers have decided that journalism costs too much. It's just too expensive to go out and actually cover the world, cover our federal government, cover our communities. And so, on the cheap, they want to still give you a newspaper. They'd like you to pay for your subscription, but they just don't want to give you very much with it. And the result is that newspapers are dying in this country. Old media is dying. And the internet, while it is awash in information, full of information, no question of that, is not providing a replacement for the journalism that we are losing.